Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and thank you for tuning in today. In today's video, we're going to be making this bulk palm oil native rice with plenty of rishi inside. So yeah, if you'd like to see how I made it, please keep on watching. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Drop your thoughts about the video in the comment section and let's get started, guys. So in here I have my already washed beef. So I'll be using beef, cow skin, shaki, like different rishi. So what I'm doing is just to put ingredients that I would use in cooking them, which is just salt, onions, and my seasoning cube. That's all. We're not doing anything too much. So I have like 2 kilos of beef there, including all the rishi. For pepper mix, I have my long pepper, I have my rodo, and I have onions, guys. So I'll just be cleaning the pepper. I'll deseed and clean the pepper, guys. This is really important. It's good to always deseed your bell pepper, long pepper, whatever. It's good to always deseed it because the seed inside is usually, well, most times they are usually very bitter, so that's why it is very good to deseed it. And that's basically what I'm doing. So I'm just going to deseed, clean, and blend. You can decide to blend it roughly or make it smooth, whatever consistency you're going for, that's what you should do. And in here I have my um catfish. So yeah, guys, I'm sorry about the way I sound currently under the weather, but I just want this video out. So I have smoked catfish here. So I poured hot water, soaked it for a while, and then now I'm just washing it out with salt. And that's just basically it. The reason I always soak it with hot water is because of dirt and just in case things are inside, just to make it softer as well. So even after using hot water, can you guys see how dirty it is? The water that I threw out is. So yeah, I'm just going to keep cleaning till the water runs clear, and then I'm going to debone it. So to start, I'll be pouring my palm oil into the pot and I'll just let it get hot. Like, and then one thing I always do again is to blend some onions aside. So aside from the pepper and the onions that I showed earlier, so I blended 2 large onions and set aside because I love onions. I love the distinct taste it brings to food, the natural sweetness it brings to food. So I don't joke with onions, guys. So I just allow the palm oil gets hot, and then when it's hot enough, I'll put my blended onions. You can decide to just dice your onions. I like it blended. So that's just basically what I'm doing here. I put the onions and I'm just going to allow it caramelize. I'm going to reduce the heat, by the way, so it doesn't get burnt. So just that's what I'm doing. I lost the clips of where I put my Locust Beans. Because we are cooking parboiled rice, like it is really important just to have that local taste in it. So yeah, I'm just going to, so at this point you should also, in fact, you can put your Locust Beans before your onions into the palm oil. Yeah, so I put my locust beans after I added the blended onions, but like I said, I lost the clip. So yeah, I'm just going to keep frying, and then when I'm satisfied with the what I have, I'm going to be pouring the blended pepper mix. So yeah, which is, you guys remember, the long pepper and the scotch bonnet with onions. So I'm just going to stir this and leave to cook before coming back to season it. That's what I like to do. So yeah, I'm going to cover it, allow it to fry for some minutes, and then I'll come back to it. Yes, so it's time to season, and I'll put all the lists of the ingredients and spices used in the description. So I just put in my seasoning cube, and then the next thing is obviously to stir it. And then we're not doing much. This is palm oil rice, so there's no need. Personally, I don't see any reason for putting curry, thyme, those sophisticated seasonings. Nah, I don't do it. So basically, this is me adding my blended crayfish. So just put according to what you can tolerate. And yes, this is the deboned smoked catfish. Now this is our orishi beef, the tribe, shaki, everything, guys, everything. So what I did was, after boiling, I cut it to tiny bits and then I put it in the air fryer. That's what I did to it. So you can decide to just fry yours if that's what you want. So yeah, I'm just going to stir it together, and it's time to introduce my washed rice. So in this video, I'm using basmati rice. So I just washed it and just pouring it into the pepper mix, and I'll just be stirring it together. And like, this is what I personally like to do before adding water. I just keep, you know like, I'll use the word toast, so I don't pour water immediately. I just make it seem like I'm frying the rice. So what I do is that I just keep turning the rice, and you know on using low heat, by the way, because you don't want to be on high heat because it's just burn. So I just keep stirring the rice for like 3 to 5 minutes, and here I'm just adding the remaining blended crayfish because I want to. So yeah, I'd continue to, just like I said, toast the rice just to extend the shelf life of the rice. That's what I like to do. Just more like it helps to preserve it for a longer time. Yeah, that's my personal thoughts about that. So I'm pouring the meat stock, the stock that I used in cooking the meat, and I'll be adding more water, just enough water to cook the rice. But remember, if you are using basmati rice especially, you have to be really careful with the quantity of water, because basmati doesn't need like a lot of water to cook. Just be careful. And then the next thing is to add salt to taste, and that's just about it. So to make it cook faster, I'll be using my kitchen foil. Yes, I need to you taste first. If you need any other thing, add more by all means. So use my foil, cover it, and cook for like 20 minutes. And don't forget to cook on low heat. Cook for like 20 minutes, come back to it, fluff it out. Yes, it is really important to fluff it out and taste. So after tasting, at this point, I'll be adding my crayfish just because I love crayfish. You guys, you don't need to put this much if you don't really like crayfish. I love it. By the way, it's Palmoil rice, native rice. Please put enough crayfish. So I'm just going to fluff it out and cover it again to allow it to steam at this point. And after this point, the next thing is to add my vegetables, which I'll be using Uziza and basil. Yes, so the Uziza is actually dried Uziza. So if you have dried Uziza, to make it come back to life, what I would do is I always put it in like uh hot water, or yeah, hot water for like 1 minute, just to revive it. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm saying. And then, like I said, I used basil, fresh basil. And yeah, guys, that's the basically it. I allow it to steam for some time, and this is me just fluffing it out. And just, you guys, this rice tasted so nice, really really nice. So yeah, that's about it, guys. If you are yet to subscribe, please don't forget to like and subscribe, please. Please subscribe and support the channel. support me, support my channel. Please subscribe. Thank you so much. And like this video. If you like this video, it will make YouTube recommend the video more to other viewers, and it will mean a lot to me. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.